Okay, welcome back to the channel, to another video on the A3, and today me and Lauren are going to do some myth busting on panel filters. Now, there's a lot of talk about panel filters and cone filters and every other type of filter, whether it actually does anything. So, I've had a load of people ask me, am I ever going to put an intake kit on this car? The answer is no. It's a diesel. I'm not really planning on tuning it, but I thought I'd sort of meet in the middle and we would do a panel filter and see what sort of difference it makes. So I've got an ITG panel filter. What we're going to do is Lauren is downloading a sort of GPS race timer. There she goes. And we're going to basically let the car warm up now, do some sort of 0 to 60s and stuff like that, and I'll also try and set some cameras up sort of under the engine bay so you can hear what the standard air filter sounds like. And then basically we'll put the new ITG filter in, do it all again, 0 to 60s, camera under the engine bay, see if there's any difference in sound, if there's any difference in performance, if there's any difference at all. Now, I haven't got much hope for it, to be honest. What about you? Do you think anything's going to change?
I don't know. Maybe. I reckon the numbers might differ, but I don't think.
What, the 0 to 60 numbers?
Yeah,
Do you think?
very, very slight. I don't know.
I reckon 0.1 of a second if we're absolutely
I
perfect. But yeah, it's not a bad day. We've got Michelin tyres on. I've got about, I don't know, a quarter of a tank of fuel. Not a right lot in my boots, so they're the conditions. They're obviously going to be the same for both runs, with and without the air filter. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So we're going to go grab a coffee, let the car warm up, and then we'll come back to you when we do the first run. Have you downloaded yet?
Nope.
No, Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah, it has.
Alright, I was going to say we might have to pick this video up tomorrow. See you in a second. Okay, so here we are at the location. My car is already warmed up, ready to go. You can hear it ticking over in the background like a taxi, and this is what we've got. We've got the ITG performance filter. I don't know how much these are, between 40, 50, 60 quid, something like that. But we're going to set up some cameras, do the first run. We're basically the straightest, smoothest road I can find, just to keep it as fair as possible. So we're probably going to do 2 runs, 2 before, 2 after we fitted it. So yeah, let's get on, set some cameras up on the car and get the first run so we've got an absolute baseline figure. Let's go. Right, you ready? Mm-hmm. So here we go, first run. Obviously stock air filter, got a little race timer. We'll see. I think standard for this car, standard flat time is 7.7 seconds. So that is what we're aiming to be. I'm fairly sure. If that's wrong, I'll put whatever it is meant to be on the screen. But here we go, first run, 0 to 60. Let's see what we can do. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
First run, what was that?
Let's say, let me just save it. 17.2 seconds.
Take 2. You reset it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the first couple of runs complete. We've done a few, and the best we got was a 7.7 and a 7.8. So now is the time that we're going to change over the panel filters and do it all again. Obviously, we'll let the car warm up for a couple of minutes again once we've changed it. But yeah, for now, let's get this in there. tools. So for anybody that hasn't seen, obviously this is your air filter here. It's just held in by a load of screws. Which we've got to go around. Okay, so this is the old one. As you can see, it's just a standard paper man filter. Now, this hasn't been in a long time, so it is in pretty good condition. So it should be quite a fair test, to be honest. It's not like it's a really old one and replacing it for a brand new one. So we'll get the ITG one in, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here is the new filter. Obviously it is oiled on one side, so be careful with it. You don't want to get it all over your hands, and you don't want to get too much oil on this side of it, because I've heard a couple of horror stories about these knackering maths. I've only just replaced mine. So effectively it is literally plug in and play. I'm going to give it a quick blowout.
Big summer blowout.
Yeah, you might as well get all the dust and stuff out of it. And yeah, that just plonks in right there. Make sure it's all seated up nicely. And that is us good to go. Whoops. Right. Job's a good one. So, we should have another 20 horsepower. What do you reckon to that? Honestly, I can't see this being any different. I can't see it being any different at all. This could be the worst money I've ever spent. That's it. I like the spirits. Keep them high. Right. Okay. Well, if you want to get yourself set up back in the car, we can do some more race timing.
I like your new tools.
Thanks. Cool, aren't they? Shout out to all the subscribers, you paid for these. It is appreciated though. Right, so obviously going to put a little road back on there so you can hear it. There you go, look at that. And just stay there, see if it sounds any different. I don't think it does. It does sound a little bit different, doesn't it? Did you hear it going like, oh, oh? Come on, right.
I'm not sure.
Right, so that is everything completely swapped over. We're all set up, we've got the race timer, we've got the GoPros, and we're all sorted to do another couple of runs. First impressions, it does sound a little bit different. I don't know why. Just got that Darth Vader-y noise. Do you know what I mean by that?
Yeah.
Like when you accelerate, listen. Like, yeah.
Yeah, but is that just like because we're trying to pick out sounds?
No, it's because it's like easier flowing.
Okay.
That's the idea of it. But anyway, less of that, less Darth Vader, less nonsense. Let's get on with it. Drop a comment now. Now is your time. Is this going to make a difference? Drop a comment below and then see if you're right. And make sure you are subscribing while you're there so we can do plenty more videos like this. If you've got any ideas or anything you do want us to sort of problem solve, drop a comment below. And yeah, I read all of them. I'll try and respond. And yeah, who knows? You might end up having a video on whatever you suggest. So, subscribe. Make sure you like the video, because it's cost me quite a bit of money actually, this filter. And let's do the second run. There we go. Right, run 2, the car is warm. It's a little bit wetter though. Imagine if we get a worse time after all this. For some reason as well, going this way, it never seems to get the right time, does it? But we shall see. Okay, moment of truth. Reset the race timer. Ready?
And I'll have a bit. Go!
That was shocking. 8.1. 8.1 on the first. Ooh! 7.6. That is actually faster.
I already know that's not going to be a good one.
9.2. 7.8. 7.9. 7.5. Do you reckon it's actually done something?
I honestly can't tell you.
I mean, it seems to have, doesn't it? But I'm just quickly going to grab my microphone from under the bonnet because I'm a little bit scared about that. Oh, I can smell his brakes.
Yeah, I can as well. Jesus.
Okay, so end of the runs, and to be honest, I'm a little bit surprised. So obviously on the first couple of runs, the best we got was a 7.7. We had a 7.7 and we had a 7.8, and I couldn't really beat that. They were just more and more each time. So that was sort of the baseline. Obviously, if you take them two both into consideration, it's like 7.75. Now, with the new air filter installed, we managed to get a couple of 7.6s, and we actually also managed to get a 7.5 as well. So, on average, well, actually, take averages out of this, just the best time is gone from 7.7 to a 7.5. Now, that could be external factors like me shifting gears, but effectively the conditions are the same. In fact, it did actually start raining after we'd fitted the filter, so you could say that it was at a little bit of a disadvantage, but it was definitely faster, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can hear it a little bit as well, so I suppose there's a little bit of a sound aspect. You'll probably be able to hear from those clips. It does sound a little bit different, not much, but, and to be honest, the speed, I don't think really, if we didn't have a timer on, I don't think you'd realise the difference in speed, would you? So, I don't know.
Sorry.
Is it worth it? You just yawning, it must be slow.
Just all stressed out now from all them runs.
All right, so about my brakes, they stink,
Yeah.
don't they? So all you can smell now is my brakes. Yeah, there's definitely going to be an upcoming video shortly fitting some brakes. I think I might just have cooked off the last of them, to be honest. I can't believe how much they smell. They're so hot as well. I just put my hand near the wheels and it is literally all I can smell, so we'll have to see. But it seems to have improved the times very slightly. So yeah, whether that's worth your money, I'm not sure. What do you reckon?
Well, it seems to me that, you know,
To be fair,
whether
for something
you're bothered
that-
about them point.
Yeah, but to be fair as well, for something that took 2 minutes to change, there's not many things that you can do yourself that will make your car faster.
No.
Now, don't get me wrong, like we've already said, this isn't it doesn't feel faster, does it? To be totally honest. You're
Well, it's not
talking,
gonna, is it?
yeah, points of a second. It's not like getting a remap where you've just added however many, but
The point is that if you did all like little things like this, they all add up, don't they?
yeah, probably, yeah. But the thing is, online it says that this car does 7 seconds standard, doesn't it? So that's what we got the first runs. So to get a 7.5, you know, it's an old car as well. So to get 7.5 when it's saying that it can do 7.7,
Yeah.
I don't know. Like I said, it could be down to the app, it could be anything, but that's what happened, and we got under 7.7 a few times, didn't
Yeah,
we?
yeah, yeah.
Whereas before,
You couldn't get it.
7.7 was the best
and
we
you did
could
it
get.
a few times then.
Yeah, I
as
was going to
well.
say, we only said we did
Constant.
2 runs on the video, but yeah, we did quite a few actually, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, enough to cook me brakes. So, yeah, there you go. I reckon it's worth it. I reckon we need to get one for your car.
Yeah.
Hi, TJ. There's a fly in my ear. The results were conclusive. For 60 quid, you can knock 0.2 of a second off the 0 to 60 time of your car. Don't make it feel any faster. It sounds a little bit different, so yeah, if you've got a spare 60 quid, throw it at it, and yeah, you might be happy with the results. And if you get something like Pouch or something, you might be able to get a discount on the air filters online like I did. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully if you were thinking about getting a panel filter or something like this and weren't that sure if it was going to do anything, this video gives you a rough indication of what can and can't happen. Realistic expectations, effectively. So if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a subscribe, like the video, and comment down below whether you got it right or wrong. Did you think it was going to improve it? Did you think it was all just going to be a con? But yeah, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.